Peace be upon you and welcome to this video in which we are going to discuss some of the negative effects of social media on us teens. This is basically the research from 2018 that was done on the teens from America, and their responses were recorded about social media, the apps they use, and different data. I will add the link to that research in the description below. And yes, this data is not the latest, but the negative effects are still the same. They have increased. And yes, we will also try to add a research of 2023 later on in this series. The Urdu version of this video is available in the description below. It is already present on my page channel. Okay, so for this video, we will be discussing the negative effects of social media on teens and which negative effects. Here we have done a analysis that are about security issues, okay, harassment, time wastage, and false information. And we will record the proper percentage of students who say that, okay, security issue is a serious threat or something like that. This is the language is Python, in which we have done the data visualization. It is a proper research. There are 11 tasks, and for this video we are going to discuss the task number 8 only. First of all, the harassment. Okay, so the 62% teens have opinion that harassment or people being bullied is a major issue. 62.8% say that it is a major issue on social media, and 26.8% say that no, it is not a major issue, but it is a minor issue. It is still a issue, but not a major issue. And on the other hand, we see 10% teens who say, okay, it is not a problem. So there are different opinions, and the majority says that it is a major problem. It is about harassment or people being bullied. So yes, it is a serious issue. And okay, the next one is privacy violation, or we say security issues. And it is again a big issue. We know the information is leaked. There are loopholes. Google Chrome and YouTube and Instagram, they share information with each other. That's why what we search on Google Chrome, we see their ads on YouTube or Instagram. Something like that happens. Okay, so privacy violation. In 2018, 57% teens, 57% teens said that, okay, it is a major problem, privacy violation. And 28% said, okay, it is a minor problem. It is not a major problem, but still a problem. On the other hand, 14% said, okay, it is not a problem. So this was another data visualization of the task about privacy violation. Okay, 57% say it is a major problem, privacy violation. The next one is about inaccurate information, and it is so big problem nowadays as well. The people's post quotes on name of different personalities that actually don't belong to that personality. So it's a big issue in this time. One day I was just scrolling the Instagram and somebody posted that effect page. They posted that humans are now able to plant potatoes on moon, and the image attached was from the movie Mars. So it is also a kind of inaccurate information. And many people, there were more than 10K likes, I guess, on that post. So yes, they may know that it is inaccurate information, but that's an example. So in this analysis of 2018, 61% teens said that it is a major problem. On the other hand, 28% said it is a minor problem. It is still a problem, but a minor problem. And on the other hand, there were 10% teens who said not a problem. Like maybe they are only getting the accurate information. There is also accurate information. There are pages of news channels, official news channels, but inaccurate information is also on a good proportion on social media. The next analysis is about the time teens spend online, which is again a big issue in this time as well. So the teens themselves are inputting the data, and what their opinion is, almost 60% or 59% teens said that okay, they for them too much time online is a major problem. Like it is a major problem for them. And 30% said okay, it is a minor problem. On the other hand, there were 10%, almost 10% who said not a problem. Like they may use mobiles phones on less time, but 10% said okay, it is not a problem for them. On the other hand, it is almost 89% people who said it is a problem. Some said major and some said minor. So this was another analysis of too much time online. Now here I have summarized all the results, which are that negative roles of social media is seen in harassment, false information, security issues, and time wastage. Social media. Okay, as we have seen in the visualizations, and in every sector, like harassment, false information, security issues, and time wastage, more than 50% says that this is a major issue. And there are almost 30% teens who say that it is a minor issue, while approximately 10 to 15% say that it is not a issue. So in every sector, more than 80%, here 89%, here again more than almost 89%, again it is almost 85%, and in every sector we have seen that the negative effect is being recorded more than 80% of the teens, in more than 80% of the teens. So this is a burning issue, and this is the analysis of 2018. We will also bring the analysis of 2023, but it is just a general idea how the social media is taking the things. Now it may be even worse than that in 2024. So yes, that's it for this video. The analysis of Teens and Tech Survey 2018 and their visualizations that we have made in Python language. Good luck.